Okay guys, welcome to another video here, and we are still solving past questions from the Rivers State University post UTME on the mathematics, right? So we are asked to find the solutions to this problem. Okay, so we are told that Ose and Bola, or Ose and Bola put resources to a total of 18,000 naira to carry out a business venture, and the venture was sold to Shegun for 54,000 naira. The profit was shared using the ratio 3:4. Calculate the difference in profit amount received by Ose and Bola. So we are going to jump straight into the solution of this problem by taking down the solution here. Okay, so now what do we have to do? Let's take down some parameters from these questions. We are told that Ose and Bola put resources to a total of 18,000 naira. So let's say total resources is equal to 18,000 naira, right? And sold amount, let's say sold amount is equal to 54,000 naira, right? That's the sold amount. Okay, now total ratio, also we are told in the ratio here of their share or profit they shared is in the ratio of, what were we given here as a ratio? 3:4. So I can say total ratio here is equal to 7, right? So that's the total ratio here. Sorry for the poor view. So total ratio here is equal to what? 7. Now what do we have to do? They said we should calculate the difference in profit amount. So we are looking for the difference in profit. So what we need to find first is the profit before we can get the difference in profit. So what's the profit made from this transaction here? Okay, so total resources was 18,000 naira, sold amount was 15,000. How do we get the profit made? So profit made, first of all, profit made from the business will be equal to sold amount minus the resources. So our sold amount here is equal to 54,000 minus resources put together is 18,000, which is equal to 36,000. So that's the profit made. Now let's get the profits, or the amount collected from the profits by Ose and Bola respectively. So first of all, for Ose, we have it that his ratio here is 3, because they said it's in a ratio of 3:4, right? So he's taking the first ratio here, which is 3. So that's 3/7 times the total profit made, which is 36,000. So this is equal to 15,428.57, right? Now the next person here is Bola, so let's put down Bola here. His ratio here is 4, so we had 4/7 times total profit here, which is 36,000. So Bola here receives 20571.4 in naira. So that's the profit he received. So now we've now gotten the amount in profit received by Ose and Bola. And what do they ask us to find? The difference in profit. So we can now say difference in profit would be equal to, of course, difference talks about minus. So what was like the difference in their profits between Ose and Bola? So let's take the higher digit first, which is this one. So we have 20571.4 minus 15428.57, all in naira, right? So difference in profit is equal to 5,142.8 naira. So that's the answer to the question. So the difference in profits between Ose and Bola is equal to 5,142.8 naira, which is the answer to the question. Thank you very much, and we'll see in the next class.